Hello, SOLP scholars. Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, for this week, week 20, which is the second week of quarter three. We're halfway through the school year, guys. We want you guys to continue trying to take those activity breaks in between your Zoom calls. So when you have science class and then you have math class next, maybe take a little activity break in between for 2 minutes. Do so many jumping jacks, push-ups, burpees, whatever activity of your choice, running in place. Just get that blood flowing and reset your mind for a second. And if you do that in between each Zoom call, or in between each class, and then you do that Monday through Friday, you guys, that activity stuff will add up real quick, and you can write that in your activity log as an activity besides basketball practice and gymnastics practice and stuff like that. You guys can still do that, but use the Zoom breaks too, those little activity breaks, and write that down in your activity log. We emphasize for you guys to really do that. It's going to be a lot easier for you guys to pay attention in class if you guys take those little breaks in between classes. But the main thing we want you to focus on this week is, since it's halfway through the school year, what is your goal? Pick a goal for PE and try to strive for that and improve on that for the rest of the PE school year. So let's say you run a 9:30 mile and you want to get down to 9 minutes. Well, maybe for the rest of the school year for PE, you focus more on running and getting your cardiovascular um, endurance, get a better endurance, get in better shape so you can do that. Maybe your goal is when you're shooting 10 free throws in basketball for practice, you only can make 3 out of 10. Well, maybe you want to make 7 out of 10. So then for activity for PE, you can write down maybe you shot a gazillion free throws for the week because that's your goal for the end of the school year and you're working on it, which is awesome. Maybe your goal is for pull-ups. You only can do one pull-up and you want to do like 5. Well, then maybe you emphasize doing pull-ups a few times a week. Just pick a goal. It's obviously a long-term goal because we want you to focus on something to focus on and shoot for the end of the school year, which is June. So you guys will have plenty of time to practice and get ready for it. That's about it, guys, for week 20. It's the second week of third quarter, and that's it. If you guys have any questions, like always, email Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck, and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your Sunday, and we'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care, guys. Bye.